Hi, this is Dad Cooks. I'm a dad to 4 months old and I love cooking. Today I'm cooking Low Mein noodles. So let's get started with the ingredients first. We need chopped green onions, carrot, Moong bean sprout. You can use any kind of sprout, that doesn't matter. I love Moong bean sprout because it's more juicy and give more texture. I'm using a red bell pepper. It's optional. You can use green pepper, bell pepper. I'm using red because it gives more color to your dish and looks nice afterwards. I'm using baby bok choy. This is also optional. Just slices in a long way. I'm taking two cloves of garlic sliced. And the main thing is we need a low mein noodles. It doesn't matter. You can get it from any Asian market. You can use low mein noodle, chow mein noodle. This one is a soft kind of noodle. It's more easier. You just put it in a boiled water for a couple of minutes and it's done. So, and here's chicken. It's a half cup chicken breast. I've already diced it. We need to marinate it. Here's the cooking oil. There's the cooking. Here's cooking oil. You can use any kind of cooking oil. I'm using a sunflower. Here's a salt for the taste, chili powder, and soya sauce, dark soya sauce. You can use light soya sauce, dark soya sauce. It doesn't matter. Here's a black pepper. You can use a black pepper, red pepper, uh, uh, white pepper, or you can use a whole pepper crust. It doesn't matter. So now we're gonna prepare the Roman. We're gonna marinate the chicken. We're gonna marinate the chicken and then boil the noodle and prepare the dish. Okay, so I'm gonna marinate the chicken. So I'm using a salt, half a table of half a table salt. Depends upon how much chicken you are using. Half a table of dark soy sauce, and like some peppers so that it can give a taste. Mix it well. You can use light soy sauce, but I like dark soy sauce. It gives a good color for the chicken. Yeah. Okay, it's done. So now I'm gonna refrigerate the chicken for like 15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna boil the water for the lumen. Put the lid on and wait till it's boil. Okay, so water is completely boiled now. So I'm gonna open the lumen. Just I'm using the knife. So I'm just gonna pour the noodle. And I'm gonna off the heat and gonna cover it for like 5 minutes. And we'll come back. I'm gonna just move the noodle so that it won't stick on the bottom. It won't stick. I should have used a bigger pot, but that's okay. That's fine. No worries. Let it be there for like a couple of minutes and we are done. Now it's done, so I'm gonna turn off the heat. And I'm gonna drain the water down and wash it with the cold water and dry it for a couple of minutes before we cook. Okay, be back. Okay, now we're gonna heat the pan. You can use a big pan or you use a wok. The pan is heated. Put some couple teaspoons of oil. Now you bring the chicken that you marinated before. After it's heated, you can put the chicken. Cook it for a couple of minutes. Okay. Don't want to cook the chicken too much, so I'm adding the carrot. So carrot takes a little more time to cook than other vegetables. Also add the garlic. There you go. Mix it. Keep your flame in the medium. You don't need the high. Now you can add the bell pepper and the bok choy. Mix them. Make your heat medium so that it won't burn your vegetables. Now your vegetable doesn't need to cook for a long time. You need like more like crunchy kind of texture. So you don't need to cook them too much. Okay, there you go. Now we add our Low Mein noodle, Chow Mein. If you have a tongue, you can use the tongue. So right now I'm just using this thing. Slowly, you don't need to get hurry. You just make sure that your heat is in the medium or low so that it won't burn everything. Mix it well. Now you can add some salt as taste and some black pepper. I like using lots of black pepper. Mix it well. Add a little bit of dark soya. You can add some water with the sauce, but I like it this way. Okay. I definitely should have used a bigger pan or the wok. Now you can add the rest of the vegetables, the bean sprout, the Moong bean sprout that I have, and the green onion or scallion. Okay, move it slowly, take your time, nothing to worry, mix it well. Okay, so after mixing well completely, you can just for a couple of minutes, cook it for a couple of minutes. And it's done. Okay, it's almost done. Now it's ready to serve and eat. Okay, so here is our beautiful, tasty chicken Low Mein or Chow Mein. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be making more food video